Hey, it's Biddy Penny, and I'm here with a Rock the Vote card. So, I'm going to show you the Rock the Vote page real quick. It's just a great place for the youth. They're, nonpartisan, nonprofit, and it is something that I know, came out when I was really young, so I've just always known about it. And go there, please register to vote if you haven't already. It is so important to practice this liberty that we have as citizens in this country. Now, my card today is inspired by jugate photos from old days, ones like this. So that's the inspiration for my artwork today. Now, here are some of the materials that I'm using to make this happen. And I just want to say, right off the bat, this isn't a political video in any sense of the word. It's just about inspiring others to do what you can and vote for whoever you want. But please, just vote. So, here I am going to make a postcard. Now this one's going to be very dimensional, and I probably won't be mailing this, but it has inspired me to, I live in the state of Texas, and I think I'm going to go ahead and mail out some voter registration cards to friends and family who live in the same state as me. They're due by October 6th. So as card makers, we send out cards all the time. Why not send out voter registration cards? I know, when you're moving and stuff, sometimes it's easy to let those things lapse. So here I'm just adhering all my die cuts. I really liked that embossing folder. It reminded me of a flag waving in the wind, the texture of it. And I wanted this to be bold. I feel like, that's what these times and what this card is all about, is being bold. So I did try to reverse stamp that Altenew stamp, and you'll see that in a minute. So here I'm bringing in the word vote, and I played around with it in different colors, and I settled on red. So, when I think about voting, I think about all the people who have come before me, who have paved the way so that I can vote as a woman, and who have paved the way for people like my husband to vote, who is African American. So, and my children in the future. So a lot of people, I think about my brothers who are soldiers who have fought for this country and fought for democracy. And I just feel like it's the one thing we can do. So, this just seemed like something I needed to share. It's time to register. It's time to get those things in order. Do it now before school starts. And, exercise your rights. So I hope you like the postcard I made today. Here's a few more clips just to reiterate, women's suffrage, that was a real deal. That was just a little less than 100 years ago. And I love that women of the world unite. And then the Civil Rights Act of 1965. Guys, it is so important. It's so important that we stand up and be counted, that we cast our votes. I know it seems like the system's broken a lot of times, at least that's how I feel. However, it'll never be fixed if we don't stand up, if we're not counted. So I hope this inspires you to get out the vote with your friends and family, or get your registration done. I did mine online. And I also hope you like the postcard, the little bit of artwork. All right, thanks for watching. Sorry the comments are turned off. I just want this to be a safe place for everyone, and I don't want any negativity. All right, have a great day.